welcome to Alpha's Kitchen. My name is Namaya Alpha. This is my grandma, and today I'm going to show her how to make, well, how I know how to make pancake. I want to see if she knows how to make it like me. Do you know how to make it?
Na yebite na somo na talaka pa na ende nikoleka. Bomba la simanga pe na sal. Pancake yamona ni loni.
Pancake is cake and you fry it in the pan.
Ah, yamona ba benga pancake. Okay, ngap na talaka pancake. Lelo koko na nga sal nga pancake. Pa na yebite soke zande nini yango ana alpha ya mkie ndoi nanga alingi Alexander nga usala pancake. Yepa lingi makamba kolamba ndenge ngala lingi makamba kolamba. Okay, totala ndenge nini oya usala pancake ne lelo.
Today is pancake day.
Hey!
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, hit that bell down below and let's get into it. I'm going to show you the ingredients I'm going to use to make my pancakes today. The ingredients I'm going to be using today is sugar, butter, lemon, egg, 2 eggs, milk, oil, plain white flour, and vanilla.
Mama Alpha mukene na yeba siko yolo bina muno kola bina za batunsu pe ba comprendre te loko batunsu ba kom loko na mboka na biso na Congo pe bazolanda bani ba yeba biloko yo tangi ezani oyo ezani
Sukali.
oyo ezani ni
Egg.
Maki oyo
Mafuta.
Oni
Milky.
oyo na ezani citron oyo teka ozo oyo ezali farine.
So first we're going to start with the dry ingredients, with the sugar, flour and the vanilla.
Oh, zo tianda mone koki.
Yeah.
Monda mo mkie wana lero ko kabula ka batumi bale sili do soko yena ndako no liete bano ba mezina biloko na monde ngezala. Nga utaka pake mobimba wana. Okay.
You have to take off all the white little thing that comes in the egg, or if you have any shells, you take it off.
Princess, why pona nino longoli babiloko wana?
Because in the eggs, there's like small little like white things, and I don't think it's good for you.
Na you.
My dad.
Okay, that na yoda ibo salam.
Now we add the butter. We melted it so it's easier to mix.
Okay.
You can use an electric whisk, but sometimes if you don't have one, just use the normal one or
Siko, if we ezra my boy. Pwande bi gato ezra mo makaste.
No, if it's too hard, then it'll just be like dough.
Okay, lokaso mikate.
Yeah. Now you have to just whisk it until like almost all the bubbles are gone.
Bambu maniso fe kufa.
Yeah.
Apa oyo yebso eloko ni so yo lam.
I know to make waffles. I know to make cake and cupcake.
Oh, bon pondo.
Pondo.
Pondo na semul.
No, I don't know how to make semul either.
Bo kasi ni nka oyo lamba lokwa oyo Congolese food.
I can make rice. Make wings as well.
Oh, mapeka soso.
Yeah.
Bon côté de Jamaica.
I can make and saltfish.
Okay. Siko panda na ba Congolese kaka mapeka na loso ndoko osala. Biloko ya ba Congolais eloko nini oyo litape na kolia.
Kwanga. Pondu. Madesu. And I like makayabu. And dongu.
Oh! Yes, sir.
Now I've finished whisking. It's nice and smooth. There's not really any bubbles. So now it's ready to go in the pan. Grandma, do you have a jug so I can put it in?
Jug, what's your name?
The mix.
What's your nakata jug? Okay, nasana musana. Donc yango ezela nango te ozelisa mo muke o 10 minutes 15 minutes te. O van songa mo muke ta 10 minutes.
You want the cooker to be on 3 to 4 so that it will cook quicker. And I use the brush so that you don't put too much oil. So the cooker is ready. I'll put the oil on. Now you put the pancake. If you want it circular, then you do that. You don't put way too much because it's going to spread out. The bubbles are coming up, so it's cooking.
You
can eat it with fruits, like Nutella spread, and you can eat it with syrup.
Okay.
You use a lot of things.
Donc, on t'appelle ice cream pepe.
No, ice cream.
Okay. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna flip it, cause.
Oh la 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 la. When is upesa na posa golia?
Now I'm gonna let the outside cook for a bit because it isn't as spectacular as the other side.
Okay. The spectacular. What a français to anglais. Donc maman moi ça na ndenge moko na français. Ah la la. Suko bolia mingi na pelinga ba o mingi. Muto alinga ba biloko ko ba gâteau ba nini. Nanda linga o mingi.
Jordan.
À part Jordan nani suso yebi.
And Soraya.
Soraya pelinga pancake.
Yeah.
Bon granddad.
Granddad would eat anything sweet.
Donc yebi no de sa suka la linga.
Yeah.
Ah bon.
Even until your mixture is finished. You can even leave the mixture overnight in the fridge.
Ah, ko bomba no pending o sali bongo na frigo.
Yeah.
Lobi suso sali.
It's ready. Mama, now you should try to see how much you've learned.
Sikoyo, ngape na meka?
That's too much oil.
Kasi mo siko no tsana ndeni. Oyo mo siko koti na ba brosa.
A little bit.
Na little bit do fale na tsaka ba songe. Fale na tsaka boy, Ah la 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 la. Siko na boy.
Yeah, that's enough.
E koki?
Yeah.
Okay. Siko. Na zela iswa moto.
Just put it.
Natia?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kebangana linga mune natia munene we yakolika kikalungu mubime tondi.
That's it.
Ekoki?
That's it. You just move it but
Na balo la boy.
now it's moving, you see it.
Yango mo banoke male.
Yeah.
Okocha moto makasi te
No, it will take a small amount of time.
Yeah.
You don't look at it.
Yeah. Ay. Tala oya ngandinge sali design.
Designer.
Design kaka yope. Tala kuna ndinge sasa.
Congratulations.
Siko na sisa ngoto na bomba. Na sa sumo ya suka Oui, parce qu'ils ont bien prononcé, Namika. Yeah! Wow! What can we do? This one next time, I don't need you. I'll make myself.
You need me.
No. You see, just I'll call you, Nora, come. And you see, when you come in the kitchen, you saw everything is ready.
No,
I write everything you want with mixing.
No, you didn't. My pancakes are done. We did like a fancy design, and now Grandma's gonna come taste it.
Not taste the boy.
Yeah.
Okay, now taste some seconde ni. Na bado kata kanga mo.
Yeah, you can taste it.
Na hutu. Amana ngai za baka. Sikona sana ni. Nazo litabi.
Wait.
Oh.
Put something.
Nini? Gâteau na citron. Boy. Zara. Zara. Zara basanda mwe. Pone ba guna mwe ba mi ba le oyo. Na zone ya tura liboso. Na toma chocolat. Elle est comme aïe aïe Suka. Noraya. Alexis suka l'été. Bilo kono so balan. Wana go se sa onyo so. Suka. Oyo, esa pour la oh tie oyo chocolat oyo na likolo eza ni
Nutella is chocolate spread.
Oyo eza ni oyo yango nde otete mwa nini.
And this is syrup. It's like what you usually put on a pancake.
En tout cas, yango o syrup. Le mono siko pesa nini? Ebo momo ba fati.
It just balances out the meal.
Et balancer et kali. Do you know no ke mo sukali dentro ale mwa oyo tamisi wana.
Health and fitness.
Eza makamu na ebisi bino pancake oyo na atetete. Na mona na ngaka ba pancake me modèle ya pancake oyo soki pancake Le mususu ne ki semon. En tout cas c'est là.
But how does it taste out of 10?
Jaja kaka 10 ya mbimba ndenge za wana. Na age no 10 jaja oyo kandingo yo saleli ya moboy. So na restaurant 25 20 18 etika likuna. Mais Noraya ayena ngo ya free. Tala ninga saleli ba mezi na ye simple. Donc okoki angope. Okeno na restaurant surtout mikona ba lockdown. Okay wo sala ni. Sala ka yo mwa katenda sala ba no surtout na mkola lelo pancake day. Kobosa na te atalo bina tongo ya meka. En tout cas oyo eza mokolo moko ya esengo. En tout cas Noraya merci ya merci mama Alpha Mukie. Ya dobia ni ko tika la simate azolanda lokolo ya koko. Ya azolanda lokolo nyoso koko azosala epa azosala. Donc ndenge za wana kala te bo mona aye kolamba fumbwa alambi pondu ala makayabu donc nyoso oyo ya dobia dinga kalobi surtout ntaba na kwanga. Abi wana suka do yumo yo tumba. Na yango to bosana te kokola kiko cher
Go sabone
ke ndeto bata munoso makambo ya malamu eumela kate kolamba esila kate le nyoso to meka kaka lelo Noraya ayena makambo sika bye bye.
I'll take that.
Bye.